how to fix C14a Snapchat error code. So if you want to fix your C14a Snapchat error code, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open up your Snapchat application. Or if you're facing the error code, once you open the application, then tap and hold onto your Snapchat for a few seconds and then go with the app info section. Once you're in your app info, you need to go with permissions and make sure that you allowed all of the permissions. Once done, you need to go back, go with storage and cache, and go with clear data. After clearing your data, your problem might be fixed. Or if that doesn't fix your problem, then you need to go with manage space and then delete all of your app data. After deleting, you'll be logged out of your account, so you just need to simply go and log back in on your Snapchat application. After logging in back, your problem might be fixed. If not, then you can go back and then open up your Play Store. After opening your Play Store, go with your search and search for Snapchat. After searching, if you have any updates on your Snapchat, you might find this kind of problem, so you just simply go and update it. After updating, go and log into your account, and that's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.